welcome to Learn 3D in 30 Days. My name is Tracy, and I'm your 3D guide for this 30-day challenge. On day 3, we designed a 3D doghouse in SketchUp. Today, day 5, we're going to see what I need to do to get it printed in 3D. The 3D printer I have access to is a Cube 3 by 3D Systems. The Cube prints ABS and PLA plastics in about 20 colors, and it can be bought for $999 retail price. This printer is designed specifically for home use and is kid-friendly. I need additional software to interface with the printer called Cubify. Cubify can also be downloaded for free. Please visit my website learn3din30days.com for the link to download this app and to learn more about the Cube printer and its specifications. So first, let's load up SketchUp and open our doghouse file. So Cubify will allow us to import a number of different kinds of file types. Some of them which can be exported directly from SketchUp by going to File, Export, 3D Model. Some of these are the OBJ, 3DS, and WRL. We're going to save this one as an OBJ. Doghouse OBJ. Enter. This is not the preferred file format for 3D printing, so we also want to save it as an STL. To be able to save it as an STL, we'll have to install a plugin for SketchUp. To do so, we go to Window, Extension Warehouse. Up here on the left, we can search for STL, or as you can see in the top extension list here, SketchUp STL is listed as the first one. So we can click on that, and then here click on Install. Do you want to install this extension? Yes. It's successfully installed and it's available for use. Okay. We can immediately export it as an STL file. Export doghouse STL. Save. Now let's go to Cubify and see how they rendered. In order to use Cubify, you'll need to create an account with them. In your account, you'll be able to save your objects to your shelf, My Shelf, and also when you sync with them, they'll analyze your object and tell you whether it's print friendly. So here we go. Let's go add the two objects. I'm going to click on this, then hold Shift and click on the second object and click Open. So here we have the STL and the OBJ. As you can see, the OBJ looks kind of funny. So we'll click on that, click Print Now. It says it's unanalyzed. Would you like to analyze it? Click Yes. Now it's sending an email to me to analyze it. But as we zoom in here and we look into it, you can see that there's a hollow space right up here, which makes it totally not print friendly. See the space right there? So let's go back to My Shelf and we're just going to delete that. Delete. Yes. Okay. Now let's go to this one here. Print Now. It's going to analyze it. Yes. But it's huge. Remember when we created it, it was 3 feet by 4 feet. So let's select it and scale. Go down. Okay, and then we click Center. Now this square right here underneath it, this is the printing mat that's within the actual physical 3D cube. And so we want this model to be smaller than the mat so that it can print. We'll make it even smaller and center it. And let's make it a little smaller than that. There we go. Okay. Oh look, the mouse wheel will make it bigger and smaller also. Alright, so now we would just hit printer here, and I am working offline from a cube. I would have to be near it and on the network to find it, or put in the IP address here, and then I could just send it to the cube or to the 3D printer and make sure that it's got the right material in there. So that's all for today. Tomorrow, on day 6, I'm going to try to create a more complicated model using the more advanced tools in SketchUp. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up to like the video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button to see how my adventure of learning 3D in 30 days goes. Bye.